Welcome to 10 days of heart opening and energizing yoga flows. This video is the nutrition edition to help keep your heart healthy. So in addition to opening and energizing your heart through yoga, it's important to tune into the nutrition side of the heart in order to maintain a healthful and heartful balance. So what is heart health? It means lowering your risk for heart disease and keeping your heart and circulatory system healthy. And how do you keep your heart healthy? Through moving your body, like doing yoga, and through mindfully eating and choosing heart healthy foods. So what are some of these heart healthy foods? Things like leafy greens, berries, whole grains, avocados, fatty fish, yes, even fatty fish, and antioxidants, which can be found in a lot of the foods that I just listed. So some leafy greens are just so good for you. They contain nitrates, which help regulate blood flow and blood pressure. Berries, of course, are heart healthy. They contain polyphenols, which are the beneficial plant compounds with antioxidant activities. Berries are low in calories, high in water and fiber, and they contain natural antioxidants like vitamin C. Including berries as part of a heart healthy diet has been shown to decrease risk for cardiovascular disease. Yes, whole grains. So whole grains are high in resistant carbohydrates, especially if you choose the ones that have not been refined. And refined just means having the nutrition, the bran rather, things like that stripped away. So high fiber carbs have been shown to decrease LDL cholesterol, which is the quote unquote bad cholesterol, and decrease your risk for coronary heart disease. Avocados and fatty fish have good fats in them, which helps decrease LDL cholesterol. Avocados also contain potassium and magnesium, which is beneficial for blood pressure regulation. And omega-3 fatty acids found in fish have been shown in some studies to reduce triglyceride levels, and they've been shown to reduce inflammatory markers, which seem to be involved in coronary heart disease. So what are some examples of fatty fish? Salmon, trout, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. Oh, my apologies, I have a typo there. Including these foods as part of a heart healthy eating pattern can be so beneficial for your heart. And I've created something completely free for you, a 10-day meal guide full of heart healthy recipes that you can download at the link in the description. Totally free for you, 10 days of awesome recipes. Maybe they'll be new, which will kind of stick with our theme of opening your heart into trying something that's maybe a little different and just being open to a different experience. These foods also contain good fats, antioxidants, and fiber. I can't wait for you to try it and let me know in the comments what you think.